225 grams of butter, because what we're going to do first is we're going to whisk the butter, sugar, flour and eggs. Yeah. So I'm tending to use Anchor spreadable these days. Lovely. Right, 225 grams. Next we do the sugar, and the sugar is Tate & Lyle Fairtrade Golden Caster Sugar. All right. So again, it's 225 grams. We're getting used to that figure by now, aren't we? Brand new packet, self-raising, because all mine had gone off. That's how we're looking so far. So we've got the butter, sugar, flour, eggs. We've got to whisk it until smooth. All right. So we have whisked the butter, the sugar, the flour and the eggs in. So that was 4 large eggs beaten up. And then because we're making the marbleness, we have to half the mixture into a separate bowl, which is going to be this one today. Because we're going to add chocolate to one side of the mixture and then leave the other one as it is, well, with orange bits and pieces in. Okay. And so we've got cocoa powder and milk. And so we need to do 3 tablespoons. Let's move this a bit closer. And we've got to beat the clementine zest and the juice and some chocolate, some chopped chocolate. We'll do the chopped chocolate in a second. So clementine, it is the grated zest and the juice of 2 easy peeler clementines. Right, you following so far? Yeah. We've got one mixture that's chocolate in here. And we've got one mixture that we put zest and juice of 2 clementines. Now we need to do 50 grams of dark sugar, dark chocolate. So there's my dark chocolate. I'm going to put my milk away because we finished with that. The oven preheated ages ago. 50 grams. So it's not much, is it? Really is chocolate and orange, isn't it? Lovely. That's that. And then we have to drop spoonfuls of the mixture alternately into the loaf cases. So you can use like a kebab skewer or something like that, and it basically says slightly ripple the mixture together to create a marble effect. So that goes in the oven then, 200 degrees for normal, take off about 20 degrees for a fan. Goes in for 15 to 20 minutes until they've risen up, firm to the touch. Leave them to cool completely before serving. That is your mini marble loaf cakes with clementine and chocolate today on Matt in the Kitchen.